Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this VIVO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Security. Following that, tap on Face section and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, tap on Start. Click on I have read the privacy statement and choose Agree at the bottom right corner. Lastly, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select OK and manage all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, switch off your screen and turn it back on. So when I do that, icons that face unlock is on. If you wish to disable this feature, tap on face again, enter your screen lock, and click on this switcher next to unlock to switch it off. Click on OK or on. If you want to disable face data completely by removing your face, scroll all the way down, choose Clear Facial Data, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!